everyone, and welcome to Baking with WEBZ. Today we are making chocolate chip cookies with M&M Minis. Let's get started. So first, we need 1 cup of white sugar. So we have our 1 cup thing already in it. It's gonna take me a second. Oh my goodness, I am horrible at scooping, guys. It's 3/4. I can get one more fork in there. There you go. There is 1 cup. So now, we've already done our melted butter because she didn't want me to waste time. So here it is, melted butter. Let's pour it in.
That looks like eggs, Colin.
It's melted butter, Daphne.
Oh. Yeah, let's stop pouring.
Hey, Daphne,
He
don't
says...
talk. Don't talk.
Oh, come on.
Can you dub it?
Yeah. Okay, now we need 2 cups of brown sugar. So I guess I have to grab this out. It's a little white from the white sugar, but...
Did you put any more white sugar in or not?
Yeah, I did.
Hey,
Don't talk. Don't talk.
Porter's gonna be the cameraman for a second, okay?
No, why?
Because.
No, you're fine. Hey, no, I don't need that.
I'm trying to figure out.
What are you doing? No, no. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. No, Daphne, just record it.
Yep. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna get you a big cup of water.
I don't need it. Alright, let's grab the brown sugar. It's a little heavy. Is this a cup? It is a cup.
Oh, you could get it on a spoon and spoon it into that.
I like that.
You think of the story for Grandma. Can you think of any story?
No, Grandma, we're all out for tea.
Besides the cup. Okay, smash, 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 smash. Still got a few. Oh, oopsies. Still more brown sugar. There you go. Okay, I'm going to get 1 more scoop of this and top it really off. Just in case if we didn't get enough last time. So here is the 2nd cup. And there's little indivets in it. Alright guys, now we need to crack our eggs. Yes, I did grab one of these. So I can crack the eggs. And hopefully no shell gets in it. Because that would be bad. Oh, different ones in here. In there. Cold, holy smokes. There we go. There's 1, guys. No shell. Or are we doing great? On a good track. Oh, my gravy. Maybe there's a shell. Disregard that. I accidentally dropped the whole eggshell in it. I got out. So, it doesn't look like there's a shell. Okay, let's get the other egg. Which one? Should I do another white one?
Hold them up to the camera and show them the funny colors of eggs.
Well, here are all the colors of eggs. There's ones that are big, ones that are small, and very different colored ones. So I might use this. Forgive me all my colors. Probably yellow.
That's a brown egg.
Probably brown. Let's use brown. Making sure it's cracked real good. And watch this, guys. That was satisfying. There you go. Oh, no. Oh, it stuck to my hands. Be back. It's always good to wash your hands. Alright, well, I have this right here. Let's pour her in. Okay. We'll set that over to the side. Okay, well now let's grab our 2 tablespoons of hot water. Yes, I did pause the camera to get the hot water because someone named Polar Bear decided to come attack us for a second. We're good though. Okay, now it's time for one teaspoon. Gotta grab this again. Alright guys, I have the teaspoon. And we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So let's see if I can find the baking powder. Here it is. Okay, we have it. Now we open up the package. And we get... Here's your 1 teaspoon, guys. Okay, we're gonna need this 1 teaspoon for baking soda. Not baking powder, they're 2 different things. Basically same thing though, I think. Oh, I guess we can save right now because I have it right here right now. Oh, it's a Scoopy Doo. It's not as chunky. Oh. Okay. There's the other teaspoon. I will need this again, but here in a few minutes. Hey, let's continue. Let's get this out of the way. Never mind, we're gonna need a teaspoon again, but except it's gonna be a 4th. Okay, I have a teaspoon, and we need some salt. I'm going to have to trust myself on this.
Why don't you pour that over the sink?
Good idea. We'll be back. Alright guys, I have our 1/4. Pour her in. Okay, now that we have done that, now we need 2 2/3 cup. That's all. Don't forget to stir it before you add the flour. Okay, so we did get the flour. Holy smokes, that is heavy. In this thingy-majiggy right there. I don't know what was in there last. See, also it is stirred, if you guys can tell. It doesn't look like eggs. Here we go, let's pour. It's gonna get dusty. Okay, got the beat it.
Take your spoon.
Okay. See if this will do it. Okay, that should be good enough. It's pretty clean. Okay, Now we should probably stir it up again because it looks white. Alright, see you in like 5 minutes. Alright, first of all, the batch is mixed up. Second of all, didn't taste that great. So we're going to add some vanilla extract. So we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of it. Splash me in the face! We'll be back. Well, I think I poured a little bit too much vanilla extract, but we'll survive. Alright, well, it's time for the chocolate chips. And we're going to use the rest of this bag since it's only half filled. Technically, the recipe calls for a whole bag. But we're just going to use a half a bag. So let's pour it in. Okay, now we can throw away this. And now let's add the M&Ms. And I'm going to try making it very satisfying. Do you guys see it? Here, maybe I'll pour out 1 for me to eat. Or 3. Do you guys see those? Those are tiny. Those are like Skittles. Colin approved. First, let's stir up because this looks very chocolate-y. Yes, I did stir up. That's what it looks like now. Now we can add the M&Ms because that is going to be just a massive layer of chocolate and then a massive layer of M&Ms. Alright, ready? Time for the satisfying. 3, 2, 1. That was very satisfying. It looks very colorful. You guys see that? Kind of looks like a monster cookie. There we go, right? Let's try making this even look even more cool. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that both packages are filled, now we can throw them away. Alright, now that... Alright, time to stir it up again for the 5th time. Just stir in the pot. Stir in the pot to make cookies. To make cookies. And they're gonna be really good because they have M&Ms and chocolate chips and too much vanilla extract. But also, wow, do you see this, Grams? Grams, do you see this?
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Stir in the pot. Stir in the pot. Okay, now that everything is stirred up, there you go. We have this thingy-majiggy to, oh no, I got cookie on my thumb, which will not be on my thumb. We have this thingy-majiggy. Wow, that's a big scoop. And we're going to place it on this pan right here. 3 on each row, and we're going to see how many rows we can get. But it won't be a competition. It'll just be a millionaire question. Okay, there we go. Finishing touches. Have that on. I'm going to set this back in here because we have enough to make a second pan, which we have over there. But we're waiting.
But go ahead and put that there.
Alright, well, we need to bake this for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. We'll see you soon. Alright, these just came out of the oven. Oh no. These came out of the oven, and they look pretty good, but we gotta let them cool down because they're gonna be too warm to eat. Alright, it's been a little bit longer than 8 minutes. We've let these just sit for a couple minutes. So, it's my turn to try them.
Pretty good.
These actually taste real good.
Hope you enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make cookies. See you later. Bye.